Audio Jungle.
Welcome back to Crypto Victoria community. Today I come with an amazing and unique platform. So before starting the review of this amazing platform, I would request you to, if you are new on my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Also hit the bell icon for further upcoming video notification. So let's start the review now. Welcome to the Bluebird. This is the more beautiful and unique project. Here you can see it is fair launched on Pink Sale, and it is the most famous bird on Solana network. It is basically, here you can see Bluebird, the most famous bird, has arrived on Sol. If you missed Boom, Whiff, and MEW. So it's time to Bluebird to take a place. So let's start. Tweets goes around the world and share our potential until touch Alan or Daddy. So let's show our power until Alan notes us. So it is CEX confirmed, and here is 100k all us partners, and also all authorities revoked, LP locked, and 100k dollar plus marketing budget. And it's also trending on Dextool, Dextrainer, and Bird Eye, also on CMC, CG Fast Track in next future. So you have to must join this amazing platform. Here you can see their pre-sale start after 3 hours 13 minutes and 2 seconds. And how you have to buy this amazing token, you have to simply connect your wallet. If you have Panther and Solfair, so you have to connect and you have write their amount and you can buy this token. So here is the token address of this amazing platform, name of the token, which is Bluebird, also their symbol, and here you can see their total supply, and also their hard cap, soft cap, and also their liquidity tokens and token for pre-sale, how much, and their listing pre-sale start time and end time. So on this Pink Sale launch, so you can see all about information about the Bluebird. So here is the beautiful image of Bluebird, the most famous bird in the world, now on Solana's DEX. So you have to simply buy this amazing token. Bluebird, the most famous bird, has arrived on Sol. If you have missed as I have described early, so it's time to took place Bluebird. So you have to just tweets until that they get potential touch to the Alan or Daddy. So you have to show our potential until Alan noted. So you will enjoy and take some risks to help Alan tweet sets and morning fast, or you will just watch. So how you can buy, there is simply method I describe you to. You have to just follow these steps and you can buy this token. First one is that you have to get Solana wallet, and having a Solana wallet is necessary to get transaction on Solana network. So you have to, I have already described Phantom wallet or Software wallet you have to recommended. And in step 2 you have to just send some Sol in your Solana wallet, and in third step you can buy this amazing Bluebird token. So you can go to Dex exchange and also can swap on Sol to Solana Bird. So here is the economics. Here is the total token name, which is Bluebird, token symbol, total supply. Here is also the official contract address of this amazing platform. Here is also about liquidity of pre-sale, which is 70%. Airdrop, you have to join their airdrop and you can get and reward in airdrop, which is about 20%, and marketing have 5% and dev also have 5%. So here is the our social medias account, you have to must join this, and this is the official Telegram account of Bluebird. You have to join this and you can get all upcoming news and information about Bluebird in their Telegram group. So here is also their Twitter, official Twitter account of Bluebird. Here you can see how it's getting up early. So you have to just join their official Twitter account. I have also followed this, so you have to join their Twitter account and you can get all upcoming news information about Bluebird. So you have to must join this amazing platform, and you can get here all upcoming reward about airdrop and their listing news on their official Twitter account. So see you next video. Thanks for watching.